Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn EVS 1, Chapter 6, Variety in Food. Try this. We use the vegetables and grains both from the market to prepare different dishes in our meal. Let us carry out the following activity related to food. So children, you are going to find out which grains and vegetables does our family buy from the market. As shown below, make a table of the different dishes prepared from the different grains or vegetables at home. Now look at your list. If a grain or vegetable is used to make more than one food item, write the total number of such items in the next column. Compare your list with that of your friends. In your table, add the foods that are in their list but not yours. For example, different food items. Go to the column different food items. Modak, dosa. You will realize that various dishes can be made from the same ingredients. Even when there is variety in the dishes, the basic ingredients remains the same. In the example above, we saw various preparation of rice. Note that there is diversity in food items of different states in our country. Can you name all the various dishes that we can make using rice? So just take a glance and understand it. And write the names of the various dishes that can be made from rice. This is a map. In this map, India major food crops are shown. Various types of questions are asked. Study the map given above. Observe the distribution of food grains in the country. Study how the different distribution of crops varies in different regions. Which food crop is grown on a larger scale in the coastal regions? Which food crops are grown in North India? Which is the major food crops in the central region? Rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India. Why is this so? This slide shows the information about the various regions having the major grown crops. Different states have a major crop productions. You can see the northern part is having wheat. To the northeast we have rice. Maharashtra is mainly known for jowar, and in the south rice. Agriculture is the main occupation. In all the parts of our country, it is mainly dependent on rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. In the region of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi, and varai are grown. Wheat, tur, and soybean are grown in the region of moderate rainfall. Jowar, bajra, and moth beans are grown in the region of low rainfall. To help crops to grow well, good seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight, and waters are needed. According to the season, a variety of grains, fruits, and vegetables are grown in our country. The availability of fruit varies according to the season. Different fruits are available in different seasons. You can see the pics of different fruits grown in different seasons. Let us see the names of the fruits grown in rainy season. Apples, cherries, lychee. Winter season, oranges, or you can say citrus fruit, guava, grapes, and in summer seasons, watermelon and mango. The main crops grown in any region is used to make various items in that region. For example, jowar is grown on a large scale in the plateau region of Maharashtra. Hurdya, laiya, bhakri, ghughrya, papad, sange, ambil, dahapate, dhirde, etc. are all preparations of jowar enjoyed in that region. In Konkan or coastal region, rice, coconut, and coconut oil are widely used. In central Maharashtra, jowar, bajra, groundnut, soybean, sesame, and mustards are more commonly used. Note that this variety of in crops is due to the change in the climate and soil. The crops grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that region. Do you know? Some fruits and vegetables which are previously available only in a certain season are now available all year round. There are several reasons for this. Number one, availability of water throughout the year. Number two, availability of improved seeds. Number three, importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world. Fourth, faster transport facilities. Always remember, a region's climate, soil, water, and people's need determine the crops that are grown in that region and also their staple diet. What we have learned today. Number one, diversity in food items. Number two, food items vary according to the region. Number three, the availability of grain, fruits, and vegetables depends on the seasons. Number four, the various food items in Maharashtra and the neighboring state. With this, I have end my chapter. Thanks for watching.